From the Detroit Free Press, in the heart of the Motor City, it's Friday, March 20th. Here are today's top stories. Presented by Bush's Fresh Food Market. Calling all foodies, Bush's is hiring. Are you passionate about food, looking for growth, development, and excellent wages? Come grow with Bush's and apply online at bushes.com/join our team. That's Bush's, BUSCHS.com/join our team.
For the Detroit Free Press, I'm Darcy Moran. In one day, the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases nearly tripled in Michigan. So did the number of reported deaths. As of Thursday night, 3 people in the state were reported to have died from the respiratory illness caused by the novel coronavirus. A man in his 50s, a woman in her 50s, and an 81-year-old woman all died Wednesday, according to the reporting hospitals. 2 of the reports came out Thursday. The man from Southgate died at a Beaumont Health Hospital. The 81-year-old died at the Henry Ford Health System Hospital in Detroit, and the woman in her 50s died at McLaren Oakland Hospital. All 3 patients had underlying health conditions. More than 330 cases of COVID-19 were reported by the state as of Thursday. Amid a global pandemic, health officials say they expect more cases and more deaths. They recommend social distancing and hand washing to slow the spread of the virus. Officials are also asking those that have relatively mild symptoms and who are otherwise healthy not to get tested. With limited resources, those tests are needed for the most vulnerable, the elderly and those with underlying conditions. Learn more at freep.com.
I'm Frank Witzel with the Detroit Free Press. Like the deadly coronavirus, memes, social media posts, and ads promising cures are spreading. The fact checkers admonish, don't be a carrier. Here are 3 of the myths. Doctors in Japan advise people to drink water every 15 minutes in order to inoculate yourself from COVID-19 because, the meme says, the water flushes the virus through your system. The World Health Organization says that's not true. 2 other false claims: avoiding ice cream and other cold foods can help prevent the virus, and gargling with warm water and salt or vinegar kills the virus. The advice about ice cream, which is circulating in various languages, has been attributed to the United Nations Children's Fund. The agency said it's wholly untrue. And PolitiFact, another fact-checking group, says that gargling with warm water and salt or vinegar also is false and is part of a growing body of misinformation about coronavirus on social media.
For the Detroit Free Press, I'm Meredith Spellbring. After going viral for his hefty stature, Zack, the short-haired cat, was rescued from the Michigan Humane Society. His new family kept the then 30-pound cat on a strict diet and made sure he got his daily exercise. Yet despite his lifestyle changes and weight loss, Zack passed away Wednesday night from feline fatty liver syndrome. Zack lost more than 8 pounds with his new family, who rescued him in early January. He lived a comfortable life with his owners, even getting his own bedroom in the home. On top of his Purina cat food diet, Zack's owners would call him from around the house to have him walk up and down the stairs to get his exercise. Shortly before he died, Zack weighed just under 22 pounds, according to his owner. For more of Zack's story, head to freep.com.
I'm Kirkland Crawford from the Free Press Sports Department. The Detroit Lions made big news on Thursday by trading Pro Bowl cornerback Darius Slay to the Philadelphia Eagles for a pair of draft picks in the upcoming NFL draft. But why would the Lions trade arguably their best player? For an explanation, here's Lions beat reporter Dave Burkett.
Darius Slay, he was our Media Good Guy Award winner this year, so I think people in this business loved him. They loved him in the locker room. I think fans, for the most part, loved him. I mean, this is a guy that was out in the community doing a lot of different things. Going to basketball games, having pop-up football camps, just always out and about. The fact that the Lions got rid of him, that shouldn't, that doesn't mean that any of that stuff goes away. But it just, his personality didn't mesh with Matt Patricia's personality. I think the Lions did see him as a little bit as a player in decline, that he wasn't playing at the same level that he was a couple seasons ago. They didn't want to give him a contract extension. You go back to last summer, that's exactly what what Slay wanted all along, was a contract extension that made him one of the highest paid cornerbacks in the game.
As things stand right now, it seems the Lions are done making major moves, at least until the NFL draft, where they have the 3rd overall pick.
To get more from the Detroit Free Press, download our mobile app on your phone, tablet, or any other mobile device. You can find the latest news, sports, photos, weather, traffic, and more. You can even sign up for notifications to get alerts on news and game updates sent right to your mobile phone or tablet. See you tomorrow.